Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic television with a model number either TC-32 or 49ES600. I'll put those model numbers in the description. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this TV not responding, not working, not making sound, etc. Or if you're just trying to get this set up as a new TV and you want to wipe everything off of it and just have it like it's coming out of the box. This will do both of those things. Now there's two ways to do this. The first one is via the setup menu and the second one is via the physical buttons. If you have access to the screen and the setup menu and everything like that, we can just hit menu on the remote and then we're going to select setup and then system and then factory default and then yes, hitting OK each time to confirm, and that will reset it. If you want to do it via the physical buttons, the TV needs to be turned on, and we're just going to find the volume down buttons on the TV and then the menu button on the remote, which is just below the power button on the left side. And we're just going to simultaneously hold the volume down button on the TV and the power button on the remote, or the menu button on the remote, for at least 5 seconds. After that time is up, we can just pull the plug on the TV and then release the buttons. Wait a few seconds, restore power to the TV, turn it back on, and it will automatically start into its factory default state.